Miraculous. Here we go. These are the dolls that everybody keeps talking about. We finally got them. Let's check it out. What do we got? First, we have Ladybug. And after that, we got Mr. Bug. What? Let's see here. And that's Lady Noir. These are pretty hot items. I know that there's a lot of buzz going about these dolls. We got the first edition Marinette, which is pretty cool. And now they have a new edition Marinette. Ooh, with their little tiki. Yeah. And we got the duo together. Who's that? Ladybug and Cat Noir. Timo duo. And last but not least, one of the most favorite, hardest items that we were trying to get and finally got them is Adrian. Woo! If you like these, please let us know. These are miraculous fashion dolls. Very, very expensive, honestly. But we got them at a decent price, and they're awesome. If you like these, you want to see more cool stuff, check out this collection. Now we got here is a miraculous ladybug poncho. So say if you go to the pool swimming or the beach, we got that. We got a awesome 4-piece or 3-piece bathing suit. Or this is the pajamas? These are the miraculous pajamas. They're very cute. Comes with some shorts and a shirt for the nighttime. And then we got the also miraculous ladybug pajama outfits. They also have miraculous ladybug underwear for the girls. All sizes. And also for the summertime or for wherever, whenever you want to go swimming, you got little marinettes. And this is Ladybug. These are awesome. And it comes with a cover, which is a skirt, and also comes with a shirt, which is pretty nice. And also there's another option. Comes with a tank top with the bottoms. Pretty awesome. And also we got this. Every girl is a superhero. And last but not least, we have the dolls and everything that we will doing on a separate video that we will unbox. Adrian will unbox this Marinette. And if you guys are interested, we're getting a few more dolls coming in. Reina Rouge and Queen Bee. So if you like what you see, give us a shout out and subscribe. Thank you very much. This is Matt and Miraculous unboxing and merchandise review. Bye-bye.